What is an agile team? Hey, this is Harry and welcome to this episode of The Harry Show. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about agile teams. So what are agile teams? Before we discuss agile teams, we need to understand what's the opposite of agile teams. The opposite of agile teams is siloed teams. So in traditional business environments, we see a lot of silos or pods like these. We could have a team of engineers, a team of business analysts, a team of project managers, a team of quality analysts, a team of operations managers, and so on. Now, how did this scenario come about? As business evolved over the years and companies grew from hundreds of people to thousands of people, this seemed like the most reasonable approach because the person here at the top was an expert on this area. So they might have an engineering manager who is an expert engineer. They might have a project manager for project managers who is an expert project manager. And this seemed like a reasonable thing to do because this person could mentor these people and guide these people towards success. Now, this structure restricts value creation because none of these silos are able to deliver value to the business single-handedly. What does that mean? For example, this team of project managers cannot do anything for the business single-handedly. They need to collaborate with multiple different stakeholders across the organization so that value can be delivered. A project can be implemented. A project can progress and proceed. Does that make sense? So when these people cannot deliver value single-handedly, what happens? There's a lot of blaming. So when they run into challenges, project managers blame these guys blame the project managers, everybody blames the business, and then the business blames the IT. So a lot of those challenges start to happen because of lack of collaboration. So it's not anybody's fault, but it's a fault of the organizational structure. So what's an agile team? An agile team is a team that has the ability to deal with changes in the environment, that has the ability to deliver value to the business on a consistent, predictable basis. So what is the structure of an agile team? An agile team should be, number one, cross-functional, right? So that's the first trait of an agile team, that it should be cross-functional, which means that it should have people from different parts of the business working together in one team, which also leads to that it should be value stream focused. What does that mean? That they should be able to go from a trigger to collecting money from the customer or generating value for the business single-handedly. So for example, if there's a team that's working on developing a software application, they should have the ability to define, build, test, possibly deploy value in the form of that software application for the business. Can a team of project managers single-handedly define, build, test, and deploy a software application? Probably not, right? So that's not a value stream focused team. A value stream based team is a team that can do all of those things and collect money or generate value for the business single-handedly. So that's number one, cross-functional, which also means value stream focused. And number two, it should be self-organizing. They should plan their work on their own. Why is that important? Because that improves ownership. When they're not told what to do and they decide what they want to do, the psychological ownership of the work shifts to them, which increases engagement and therefore performance. That's number 2. And number 3 is it should be small teams. Large teams are difficult to manage, engage, and lead. So what's the right size of an agile team? It should be anywhere from 5 to 11 people. 5 to 11 people is a sweet spot that brings people together, creates excitement, and gets things moving. So cross-functional, self-organizing, small 5 to 11 people that can go from trigger, which means some work coming into the team, all the way to delivering value and collecting money from the customer single-handedly. This increases ownership, increases engagement, removes blaming, removes finger pointing, and creates consistent, sustainable value for the business. So this is what an agile team is supposed to be. Let me know if you got any questions. This is Harry. I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next video. What did you learn from this video? Comment below and let me know. I read every single comment on my videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We already have a lot of videos on our channel. Check the playlist on marketing, sales, communication, leadership, influence, persuasion, all of these skills that'll help you transform the game and raise your career to the next level.